I just spent 6 hours debugging one problem. Literally, who invented UI? UI has to be one of the worst possible inventions
In the history of computer science.
Genuinely, who invented this major? Who invented this field? Who invented user interface? Nobody gives a I wanted to work on backend. I wanted to work on the algorithms. I wanted to work on the cool things that would happen in the background and make the app function. But no, I ended up spending 6 whole hours trying to make one div tag work. Who invented HTML? Who invented CSS? Who invented JavaScript? You cannot convince me anyone less than the spawn of the seventh circle of hell could have invented UI. Those three things are the devil's work. That is some of the worst coding I've ever done in my life. And to make matters worse, not a single AI agent or tool could solve it. No ChatGPT, GPT-5 sucks, Claude 4 sucks, Cursor sucks, GitHub Copilot sucks. All of them are terrible. They worked with each other and talked to each other, and they still couldn't figure it out. And you know what? After those 6 hours, it didn't even work. It failed. I spent 6 hours doing I spent 6 hours doing absolutely nothing, and it completely failed in the end. You see, this is why I majored in physics, not computer science. Because I spent 4 years doing this. I'm like, come on, you know, they say AI is supposed to be the future of coding and all that. It's gotten so good, it placed #1 in some coding competition. Explain to me why 3 of them, 3 models, not 1, not 2, 3 models working, all in tandem, all talking to each other, all communicating with each other, could not solve this one UI issue. Tell me why it took more than 3 models and a human who knows how to code. And we still couldn't figure it out, and it still doesn't work. Let this just be a lesson to all of you future software engineers. Go outside,
Touch grass.
and don't spend the entire day coding, because you will go insane. And if you're majoring in this, you're genuinely crazy. Good luck. I can tell you for sure that AI is not taking your job now because I can't do UI. But it might in the future.